Hello friends, Connor here with Rust Belt Rambles, and we're just outside the city limits of Pittsburgh. We're in a nature preserve called Tom's Run Nature Preserve, which Tom's Run feeds into the Allegheny right where I-79 crosses over the Allegheny. So we're maybe a mile from, a major interstate. But up here on Tom's Run, the busiest activity is this giant anthill, which, as you can see, is just crawling with ants. That one's bringing leaf litter up the hill. In cinematography, this would be known as our hero ant. We are following him, though he seems to have abandoned the leaf to let other people do its sort of final work. Maybe bringing some helpers. In any case, giant anthill. Let me just stand up, kind of back off, let you appreciate the size of the thing. This is my hand. Wow, it is warm. The whole hill is giving off heat. And you can also see that they're starting to build a second hill over here. Just incredible. One giant ant colony.